How to create a hotspot in Windows 10. In Windows 10, you can broadcast your Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or cellular data connection as a Wi-Fi hotspot. This allows other devices to connect to it. This can be done through the Settings app. In this video I will show you how to create a hotspot in Windows 10 device. First, press the Start button. And then click the Settings gear on the lower left-hand side of the menu. Click the Network and Internet sections. Select Mobile Hotspot from the left pane. Select which connection you want to share under Share My Internet Connection from. Press the Edit button to change the hotspot's name and password. Turn on remotely. This setting automatically turns on the hotspot if both devices, PC and that device, are Bluetooth enabled. Toggle on the slider next to share my internet connection with other devices. Other devices will now see your hotspot, so you can connect to it with provided the correct password which is entered before. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.